Ash, when I look back at the time when you first asked me to pick time at the Queen's, did I think we'd be standing here today? No. Am I glad this is where our journey has taken us? Absolutely.
Jonny, I get genuinely poppy dog excited when you walk into a room, and I know you know I'm not even being cliche when I say that.
When I think about us, yes, we get on like a house on fire. Yes, we fancy each other, especially today. And yes, we want the same things in life, but those things alone don't guarantee a happy marriage. It's actually our balance as a team and our willingness to work hard on our flaws that will see us live a long and happy life together.
I love that I can be my truest, rawest, most comfortable, unfiltered self when I am around you.
I promise to be 100% committed to our marriage and our future family, wherever that may take us and whatever circumstances that may be.
I promise to excite you as much as you excite me, and to never stop having fun together.
I promise to never stop bettering myself for you and for our future family. I will never stand still as a person, and I will always embrace positive change in myself. I promise to love you with everything I have. You're my best friend, Miss Robbie, my Scouse Queen, and now my wife. I love you so much.
I promise to always strive to be the best wife I can be, and to make with you the best life you can possibly live. I love you so much, and I couldn't be prouder to be your wife.